Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I know this time I'm super late, but you know what? I'm done with all my exams, and tomorrow my school is going to open, new session is going to start, and yes, I'm promoted to ninth class. And if any of you guys who are watching this video, if you are also of ninth class or you are just promoted to ninth, then comment me. Okay. Today I am making this vlog to show my clumsy wardrobe. See the way I had organized the things. Actually, this is all my 8th grade old books and copies, and still now I hadn't done with all my organizing. And tomorrow my school is going to open, but still see, because after exam holidays we got no me I had gone to my grandma house with my mom. Now it's high time to organize all these things. I'm not in the what way to organize my whole things, means whole room, but still I have to do it. I'm not motivated that much, but yeah, let's do it. So, for anyone who is looking for the motivation to clean their room and to organize their new session, new class books and copies, and arrange their stationery, so let me tell you that I am also not motivated that much, and also this summer, and I'm feeling so hot. In this stage nobody is that much motivated, but if you are, that's good. For those who are not motivated like me, let me tell you that now if you will organize it, it will hardly take how many hours, let's say 3 to 4 hours. I personally take 2 to 3 hours, and sometime what I ask my mom to help me, but my mom get frustrated, so all I have to do is alone. So if you will organize it now, you will feel so good and proud later. So let's do it in this short motivation. Let me do it, and guys, be connected with me and see how I'm doing it. Guys, see this cardboard and trying to making something from this to organize these all stuffs. So yeah, let's see what I can do. I had searched in internet a lot, but I can't make like I'm unable to make like this. Let me try to make something from this. See what I had made. I had decided to organize all my sellotapes and all the sellotapes here. So yeah, see this from this Vicks inhaler cardboard. Actually, I had purchased it from medical store. So yeah, I had that from in my home. So I had thought to keep all my sketch pen here inside this, and yeah. So finally, after a lot of struggles, see, I had organized everything. But tomorrow in this room some drilling will be there, so that's why I had kept it like this, but organized everything. But you know what? These all are my 8th class old books and copies. Till now I hadn't kept. They are my new 9th class books copies, because tomorrow some drilling will be there. So that's why again I have to clean it, but organized. But only I will wipe it. Then I will keep everything orderly. But anyway, let's organize my backpack for tomorrow, first day of my school as a ninth grader. So guys, before that let's have a break and make Maggie. So yes, here I am taking one packet of Maggie and making for myself. So guys, see how I make Maggie. So first of all we need to boil water. So then after that I had put some ginger and red chili and let it boil for 1 minute. Then after that I had put some Maggi masala powder that came inside the packet and let it boil for another 1 minute. Then yes, again after 1 minute I had put that Maggi and let it boil for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then our Maggi will be ready. So this is how I make Maggi. So this is finally how our Maggi looks. So if you guys are still in doubt why I'm adding ginger in it, so have a try and tell me the result in comment section. guys, let's unbox together what all the things I had bought for my new session. Actually, these are the things I needed, and it's not always necessary to buy the things again that you have for the new session. It's nothing like that. Whatever you have, yes, it's okay. Whenever it will be over, you can buy at that time. But these are the things, something which I really wanted, and it is also not there. So yeah, let's unbox together. So yes, this is the pouch I really wanted, and I have like this type of pouch I have, but these all are of transparent and plastic, but this one I really needed. It is not plastic, and yes, it's so cute. Next thing is I had bought this pocket diary which is of 12 rupees. This one you can use for making to-do list or for noting something. Next thing I had bought this Totem Mew black pen. I was looking for the Totem Mew blue pen, but I got this black. Next pen, this one is blue pen, and also I have this click pen. And here I got this highlighter. Actually, I have highlighter of other colors, but I really wanted the highlighter of this one and this blue color. And next one, this washi tapes, and this name, class, roll number, section sticker. So guys, if you want a video on important or essential stationery you should have as a student, and next video if you want what's in my school bag and things that you must keep in your school bag, then tell me in the comment. Okay, back or back together. So yeah, finally my bag is ready. So guys, here it is little raining and windy type of climate is there, and now it's 8:15 p.m. at night, and after a lot of heavy intense heat wave, finally today I'm feeling cool. Here the climate is like this today. So yeah, that's the end of the video today, and guys, tell me anything you want in the comment section. And for now, today I am signing off. Meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, have a amazing yes, okay, bye.